Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining how to set up different sports houses for your school. So I'll click on the icon here. Now to set up a new sports house, you click on add house here. Then you select the number of houses you want to add, let's say 4. Then you input in the house name. Let's say we have the silver house, the yellow house, the red house, and the green house. So you set up the houses as applicable to your school and then you click on submit. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to set up. So just click on the add house, select the houses as applied to your school and click on submit. Thank you for watching.